Matuto agad mag-English. Saan ang pinakamalapit na CR? Where is the nearest CR? Saan ang pinakamalapit na ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Saan ang pinakamalapit na bangko? Where is the nearest bank? Saan ang pinakamalapit na hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Saan ang pinakamalapit na hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? Saan ang pinakamalapit na bus station? Where is the nearest bus station? Saan ang pinakamalapit na kainan? Where is the nearest restaurant?